think we're all grateful that the COVID virus is mostly behind us. And one of the lessons that the mission-critical communications industry learned is that we need a dispatch console that is portable and can be operated remotely. That is, that it can be transported to other locations away from the primary dispatch center. That's why Catalyst created its GoKit. It is a simple, transportable solution that allows the dispatcher or others to connect with multiple radio channels simultaneously. And it can be transported virtually anywhere, including to the dispatcher's home. Dispatchers, commanders, technicians, and others can use the Catalyst GoKit to connect back to their primary radio channels using both a hardline connection like a VPN, a wired connection, or a wireless connection like an LTE router. Once connected, the dispatcher can enjoy using the same user interface that she uses at her primary dispatch center, because the GoKit can run the same Catalyst propulsion user interface that the console at the primary dispatch center uses. I'll invite you to learn more about the Catalyst GoKit and our propulsion console on the Catalyst website, or give us a call. Thank you.